In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a single column in Tableau in just 5 minutes. This technique is a fantastic way to draw attention to specific data points in your visualizations, which can really make a difference in presentations or analysis. So, let's get started and walk through the steps. First, you need to launch the Tableau app if you haven't done so already. This is your starting point as we delve into creating a visually impactful column highlight. Once Tableau is open, navigate to the worksheet that you'd like to work on. Having your data ready and accessible ensures that you can smoothly carry out the task without any interruptions. Now, on this worksheet, we'll begin by dragging the segment field onto the column shelf. This action effectively sorts your data into separate segments, making it easier to manipulate visually. After that, you should bring the subcategory field onto the rows shelf. Arranging data in this manner sets the groundwork for creating a structured and clear visual. Next, take the sales measure and place it under the label in the marks card. This step is crucial as it labels each segment with its respective sales figures, giving your chart meaningful context. We then proceed to navigate to the analysis menu at the top. Here, select Create Calculated Field. A dialog box will appear where you'll name this field 1, inputting the max chapter 1 function. Click OK to create this calculated field. This field helps in adding more customization options. With our data structured, we'll change the chart type to a bar chart. Bar charts are ideal for highlighting specific columns because of their straightforward yet engaging presentation style. The next step involves dragging the newly created one calculated field and placing it onto the size in the marks card. This allows us to manipulate the visual thickness of our bars, making them more pronounced. Now locate the size slider and slide it all the way to its maximum value. This increases the impact of your column by making it stand out more. After adjusting size, navigate to the color option, then to border, and select a light color. This subtle border enhances the focus on the highlighted column without overwhelming the viewer with information. The final steps are all about color customization. Drag the segment field you initially placed on the column shelf onto Color in the marks card. To refine the visualization, click on the color option again and choose Edit Colors. Select the specific column you intend to highlight from your dataset. Following this, double-click on the other columns, opting to change them to white. This contrast between the highlighted and non-highlighted columns amplifies the focus on your target column. To complete the process, click Apply and OK. And there you have it, a beautifully highlighted column in your Tableau visualization that draws attention and conveys your data narrative effectively. This simple yet powerful technique can elevate your dashboards and presentations by sharpening focus and improving communication.